How can you ensure the safety and efficiency of an automotive workshop? Performing an inspection using eAuditor is the key. This video will guide you through a comprehensive approach to workshop safety, compliance, and operational efficiency. Why conduct automotive workshop inspections? Ensuring compliance with health and safety regulations is crucial. Identifying hazards before they cause incidents can save lives. Verifying equipment maintenance ensures safe operations. Improving efficiency through organized workflows can boost productivity. An inspection using eAuditor covers key areas to ensure safety and compliance. Workshop layout and housekeeping are evaluated for cleanliness and accessibility. Tools and machinery are checked for condition and safe operation. Electrical systems and fire safety measures are verified. Hazardous materials management is assessed for proper storage and disposal. Create a digital checklist in eAuditor for your inspection. Include workshop details, inspection date, and section-wise checkpoints. Use yes, no, or not applicable responses with mandatory comments for unsafe items. Capture photo and video evidence to support findings. Align with OSHA regulations and company policies for comprehensive coverage. Focus on workshop layout, tools, and machinery. Ensure clear walkways and unobstructed emergency exits. Verify the condition of hand and power tools and inspect vehicle lifts. Check electrical wiring and fire safety systems. Ensure proper storage and labeling of hazardous materials. Classify inspection findings by severity to prioritize actions. Use eAuditor to record non-conformities with detailed notes. Assign corrective actions to responsible personnel. Track completion and verification digitally for accountability. Immediate actions prevent serious injuries or damage. Conducting an inspection with eAuditor ensures safety and compliance. Standardized checklists and real-time evidence capture reduce risks. Continuous improvement is supported through tracked corrective actions.